representative from the
Chairman and Board of Directors of Fiji Ports Corporation Limited, CEO and Management of Fiji Ports Corporation Limited, and CEO of Fiji Ports Terminal Limited, ladies and gentlemen of the media. I think first of all I'd like to apologize on behalf of Minister for Finance, Public Enterprises, who could not be here due to urgent national commitments. But I think on behalf of the shareholders and the Fijian Government, I am very grateful. CEO has very extensively gone through why we are here today, what are the reasons. We have just had our annual general meeting, and the shareholders have been very glad to receive the audited accounts, clean audited accounts, and at the same time gauge the performance, the overall performance of the Fiji Ports Terminal Limited. And that was very articulately explained by the chairman of Fiji Ports Corporation Limited. The organization is an important one, a crucial one to our national interest in terms of trade and economic development. Majority of our Fijian trade passes through Ports Corporation Limited. Therefore, the company doing well is also important for, it's important in terms of economic growth and development. As the chairman has highlighted, FPCL has made a profit of 7.44 million in 2014 and have declared a dividend of 3.7 or 3,719,197 dollars to be exact to government. This is 56% of their net profit after tax, and this is very much in line with the dividend policy of the Fijian government, which is 50%. So we are very happy that this dividend has been declared, and we are also very happy that the organization has performed well in 2014. And as you know, this performance comes at the back of a significant event in 2013 where public-private partnership was entered into, where the Fiji Ports Terminal Limited had investors investing into it through Aitken Spence to the tune of 51%. After that, the company has managed to perform well in terms of its profitability, which is a very good news for government and also to all Fijians. We have also chairman has highlighted that despite the fact that the organization has managed to pay off some of its loans to ADB to the tune of 10 million, they were still managed to make profits, but because of that also made a number of savings. So the government is very glad to receive this dividend, and we also would like to thank the chairman, the board of directors, the executive staff, and all staff of Fiji Ports Corporation Limited for their hard work and their contribution in smoothly operating this organization and operating it at a profit. So for that, on behalf of government, thank you very much, Chairman. This is indeed, we are very glad that you have performed well in 2014, and we hope that this will set the course for for the future also, that you will continue to to perform well and continue to play a very important function in terms of our national trade and commerce. So with those words, ladies and gentlemen, we are glad and thank Fiji Ports Corporation Limited.